Drive. Drive. I can't drive yet. I'm only 15. Have. Have. I have an idea. Do. Do. I will do the best I can. Say. Say. That's what I say every day. Go. Go. I go to the church at 8 a.m. Get. Get. He wants to get some beer. Make. Make. She makes me feel better. No. No. I don't know where I am. Think. Think. Think about your future. Take. Take. Sit down and take your pen. See. See. Do you see it? Come. Come. Come with me. Want. Want. I want you to come back. Use. Use. Use it carefully. Find. Find. I want to find my phone. Give. Give. Give me more. Tell. Tell. Tell me what she told you. Work. Work. I'm working in a big company. Call. Call. Call me later, please. Try. Try. I'm trying to call a policeman. Ask. Ask. Ask me what you wanted to know. Need. Need. I need to be there next week. Feel. Feel. They feel much better now. Become. Become. We will become part of your team. Leave. Leave. If one of us has to leave, I'll go. Put. Put. Put your hands up. Mean. Mean. I mean, one of you have a chance of winning. Keep. Keep. I can't keep her temperature down. Let. Let. Let me study more, please. Begin. Begin. I'm going to begin now. Seem. Seem. She seems to be sad. Help. Help. I'm going to help you. Show. Show. Show what you're hiding there. Here. Here. It was nice to hear you again. Play. Play. Can you play with the kids? Run. Run. We'll run tomorrow at 6 a.m. Move. Move. Move your body. Live. Live. I don't want to live without you. Believe. Believe. I don't believe that. Bring. Bring. Bring me those shoes. Happen. Happen. That won't happen again. Write. Write. Write about your routine. Sit. Sit. Come in and sit down. Stand. Stand. Stand by me forever. Lose. Lose. France won't lose again. Pay. Pay. Don't forget to pay your bills. Meet. Meet. I'll meet you there later. Include. Include. Does the silverware set include teaspoons? Continue. Continue. I pretend to continue to search. Set. Set. He set the glass on the edge of the table. Learn. Learn. I want to learn more. Change. Change. They won't change their behavior. Lead. Lead. It can lead us to victory. Understand. Understand. He doesn't understand my problems. Watch. Watch. My child loves watching Netflix. Follow. Follow. He'll follow us, won't he? Stop. Stop. Stop thinking about it. Create. Create. Did you create this? Speak. Speak. He simply continued to speak in a calm voice. Read. Read. Would you like to read this book? Spend. Spend. I spend my life protecting you. Grow. Grow. She will grow with love and care. Open. Open. It was open, so I came in. Walk. Walk. She can't walk yet, she's a baby. Win. Win. You won't win this one, so give up now. Teach. Teach. Now you can teach me. Offer. Offer. He offered her some potato chips. Remember. Remember. Do you remember that rumor in school? Consider. Consider. It was too far to consider driving every day. Appear. Appear. You always appear when something bad is about to happen. Buy. Buy. I decided to buy it. Serve. Serve. His first priority is to serve his customers. Die. Die. My love for you will never die. Send. Send. I'll be sure to send it to you. Build. Build. Alex decided to build a room. Stay. Stay. You can stay here if you want. Fall. Fall. Be careful, you can fall from a ladder. Cut. Cut. I hate when I have to cut my hair. Reach. Reach. I couldn't reach him. Kill. Kill. Get out of here before I kill you. Raise. Raise. It looks like a fine place to raise children. Pass. Pass. He passed the pen to her. Sell. Sell. Would you sell me your dress? Decide. Decide. I'm going to decide what to do with it. Return. Return. I want to return to Mexico. To explain. To explain. I don't want to explain you more. Hope. Hope. I hope you like it. develop, develop. The teacher helped students develop their creative writing skills. Carry, carry. Could you carry this table from the kitchen to my room? Break, break. If you break it, you replace it. Receive, receive. Did you receive my messages? Agree, agree. I agree with you. Support, support. You know I will always support you. Hit, hit. A train hit their car. Produce, produce. We already produce more than we expected. Eat, eat. Don't you want to eat before we leave? Cover, cover. A black cloud seemed to cover the earth. Catch, catch. She sometimes catches butterflies. Draw, draw. Draw me on the blackboard. Choose, choose. Just choose one of them.